Mickey!
What's up?
Hey buddy, what's going on?
Not much.
But you know, along comes this opportunity on Friday for this kitchen to lease in Collingwood.
Yes, sir.
It's leasing a kitchen in a hotel.
Yeah.
At the moment they're doing 6 days a week and just the dinner service. It's a big events venue. It's called the Gasometer Hotel in Collingwood.
Yep.
And you'll see that they hold events there like bands and DJs. It's like a music venue.
Okie dokie.
Bar meals, bistro deals, functions and all that sort of stuff. But in regards to that, they've got 20,000 people social media following, so it should be pretty exciting.
Okie dokie, see you soon.
Alright bud, take care, bye.
Ciao.
What up? What have you been doing? You don't look like a chef right now, I'll tell you that.
Hey, welcome to the Greedy Bear, mate.
Oh, we've got chef.
Tidying up the old Greedy Bear Bistro, mate. There, chef, there it is, mate.
What's on the menu, chef?
Hey, you've probably got there, mate. A couple of Greedy Bear burgers.
That's Mick. That's Sanju. That's Ed. And that's what are you doing?
Playing with bubbles.
What are you drinking, Mick?
It's Mango Delight.
Are you working? Are you on duty?
Always working.
What about you?
Come play.